Hello, my name is Janet M. Taylor. I am a life organizer with over 30 years of experience, and I am a podcaster of Got Clutter, Get Organized. And I'm here today to give you behind the scenes behind an ebook I wrote called 7 Affirmations to Organize Your Life. And I'm going to give you the reasons why, but also how it can benefit you as well. My reasons why is when I would speak, when I would work with people, sometimes they could not see themselves as I could see them in the future. That once they got past all the clutter, they would be truly living an organized life. Now, of course, organization is not necessarily being neat, but it's being able to find things and it's understanding that being able to put your hands on things the first time you look. So that's my reason why, is because I wanted people to be motivated and inspired to know that no matter where they are now, that does not determine where they can be. And also letting people know it's not going to happen overnight. And yes, maybe you were organized when you were in your 20s. Maybe you were organized when you were single. But now that you're not in your 20s anymore, and of course now you've got a spouse, a partner, kids, pets, things are a little bit different. It's just creating systems for the life you have. So that's why I decided it was time to just put some affirmations out there that you can say each and every day that can truly, truly help you, inspire you, motivate you, knowing, yes, maybe things are not as organized, but you know what? This is a journey. And that's why I always say organizing is a journey. It is not necessarily just a destination you get to and it stops. Because even with myself, I know that there are going to be seasons where I have to let go and make room for things, and things are going to change. What clothes I want to wear, what things I want in my home, my life, what paperwork I want to even hold on to. So that is the why. And it's going to benefit you because each and every day, whether you want to do it weekly, whether you want to do it just every now and then when you're feeling a little disorganized, you're just picking up and you're just actually saying it's 7. So I'm going to give you the first one and I'm going to give you the seventh one. And we can kind of say these together. And I'm going to say them twice. We're going to say them twice. So the first one is, I create peace and order with every step I take. Now repeat after me. I create peace and order with every step I take. Think about that. Every step I take, every time I toss something, every time I shred something, every time I donate something, that's the step that you're taking. And then, of course, the seventh one is, I am the architect of my space. Each organized corner builds the foundation for my success. Again, I am the architect of my space. Each organized corner builds the foundation for my success. And you know what that does? Every time you tackle a corner, that's one thing you've accomplished. You've organized, you orchestrated. You're the architect. It's like, okay, today I'm going to build order in my bedroom, or I'm going to build order in my kitchen, or I'm going to build order in my home office. You're the architect. So click the link below to order. Let me know how you made out. And of course, until next time, I want you to have a clutter-free day. But most of all, have an organized life. Click the link below to order.